Pete Zielinski with Additive Manufacturing Magazine, and I am here with Jarod Rauch, who is the Additive Division Manager of B&J Specialty, a maker of molds, dies, specialty tooling.
Our machining capability consists of 3-, 4-, and 5-axis machining.
And yet, increasingly, you're making mold tooling additively, metal 3D printing.
With the use of conformal cooling technology, we can now optimally cool our product. Conventionally, methods used was drilling waterline holes in a straight line fashion. So if the geometry was not a very uniform shape and you did not have line of sight to be able to drill a typical hole to get water into that geometry, that created a problem. Conformal cooling, when applied correctly, can be amazing of what it can accomplish in the cooling properties. It is following the three-dimensional shape, maintaining a uniform temperature throughout the entire geometry. When you're able to achieve that, many things start to happen. Productivity increase.
You mean productivity at the molding machine making the plastic part, reduce cycle time there?
Yes.
Additive machine
we are currently using the Rauch. Now you have the capability of entering into the geometry and then curving and following the three-dimensional shape, achieving cooling into those areas that would typically be the problematic area. We're looking at builds that we have done several years ago. Now we can go back to those problematic issues and we can correct those. You can look at things a totally new way. You can design for the optimal part rather than designing based on how you're going to manufacture.